Our enterprise is a part of the Pharmaceutical holding in Krasnoyarsk. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started replacing the outdated and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 10 years and know all the technological processes well. I made the choice of new equipment independently, agreeing with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, decay time and dissolution, quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. In order for the products to be of high quality and fully comply with hygienic requirements, it was necessary to take the choice of equipment seriously. After partial modernization, we decided to produce capsules for intestinal diseases, sealed in aluminum foil in group packs of 6. The thin aluminum foil with a layer of heat-welded varnish was supposed to protect the drug from environmental hazards. Since I had already chosen a lot of different equipment for our plant, I had a little experience in selecting and remained in contact with some reliable machine manufacturers. I started contacting them by telephone and asked if they could produce a compact, blistering machine for packaging tablets in aluminum foil. I specified automatic control, quality stainless steel material of the machine, and single tablet packaging as my main criteria. At first I contacted a company in Germany, which offered me automatic equipment for the packaging of hard gelatin capsules in aluminum foil, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not manufacture this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not ready to wait. Another equipment manufacturer from China offered me a 4-pack machine. I did not accept the offer because I was tasked with finding a 6-pack. I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest a different machine option. I searched on the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Samara talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 5 days later I received an email from them about 10 different variants of machines for batch filling of capsules, and an offer to make a choice on my own. I realized that they had no professional approach and would not help me in my equipment search decision. The last, 3rd intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The male manager talked to me like a professional. He asked specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the size of packaging and packaging, told me about the terms of delivery. At the consultation stage he suggested an automatic machine for packing capsules in aluminum foil, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the company management. The machine was acceptable in terms of features and price. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The specialist asked me to send the aluminum foil, in which the capsules and the red and white capsules themselves were to be packed, to test the equipment. The manager informed me 2 weeks before the delivery about the degree of readiness of the machine. He emailed a video of our machine in action. The packaging process consists of feeding the capsules and compressing it tightly with aluminum foil coming in 2 rolls. Then the automatic welding and cutting of the aluminum tape with the capsules takes place. The red and white capsules are cleaned and received piece by piece to form the cell. The formed capsule cells are cut into 6 pieces in each plate. The entire process is automated and controlled by a special automatic panel. In the future, I plan to approach the manager of this company to purchase the analytical equipment that needs to be purchased to produce the drug in gelatin capsules. I am sure that he will choose me a high-quality equipment. In the choice of any purchase, qualified advice is necessary. The project is sure to be successful if this advice was received from a professional.